The singer, songwriter and guitarist was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1998. He's best known for his songs Albatross and Black Magic Woman. A statement from his family said it's with great sadness that we announced his death this weekend peacefully in his sleep. And it said there'll be a further statement in the coming days for people to give their reaction. Well, already on social media we've had reaction from people in the music world and beyond paying tribute. Guitarist Bernie Marsden shared a picture and his memories of Peter Green. In a long tribute he wrote, "I can't quite express my feelings after learning of Peter's death. I'm just thinking of the times we spent together in the last couple of years. Hanging out with him at his home was very special. A memory I'll cherish. He made me laugh, cry, wander, and never failed to make me pinch myself when we were alone one-to-one." This photograph was taken at his house in February, on the day of the London Palladium show. Apparently he was in a cheeky mood, and when I asked him if he would like to have been in London, he shrugged a little, gave me a smile and said, "No, I'm having a cup of tea with you." He made great tea, of course. R.I.P.